Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. Let's get crafting. We're going to make some Christmas ornaments today. Here are your supplies, basically just craft sticks and glue. And I made them in two different sizes. The first, I'm using the large craft sticks that you can find at Dollar Tree or Walmart or any other craft store. And I'm going to cut these into 3 separate pieces. So basically 2 inches long each piece. And I am putting, these are going to be small Christmas trees. And I'm putting 3 levels of branches basically on my Christmas tree. Of course, you could do more, you could do less, you could make them bigger, you could make them smaller. But this is what I did for the small ones that I made. And then once I've cut them all down to 2 inches, then I'm going to cut the rounded edges off. I'm going to make them pointed like you see on Christmas trees, or kind of on Christmas trees. So that's what I'm doing here, just cutting those edges off. And I actually did make some larger Christmas trees as well, and I do actually like the larger ones better. They're 3 inches long, so I just cut the craft stick in half instead of in thirds, and I actually like those better. You'll see those toward the end. But anyway, so just cutting off those rounded edges. And that's what you want it to look like. A straight edge and then a slanted edge. And then I decided to stain them. And I do not like this. It's wax, but I do not like the color of it. It's something I got on clearance quite a while back, and I just keep using it because I have it, and I shouldn't because I don't really like it. But anyway, so you could stain these, you could paint them, you could leave them natural. The ones I like the best, I did actually leave natural. I tried painting one white. I didn't like that, and the ones that I stained weren't bad. It's just not what I preferred. Because again, the color is just not me. And then we're going to make the stem or the stump or the, what is it called that a Christmas tree stands on? That thing. And I'm trying this wire jute cord for this. There's a lot of things here I did differently, but so I did end up gluing the sticks onto that wire jute cord. So here I'm going to glue together the little pieces that I was shaping, and then we're going to glue those pieces onto the jute cord, the wire jute cord. And when you're doing this part, of course, you want to make sure that your tree stump, is that what it's called? I don't know, is in the middle. On like 4 of them that I made, it was crooked, and yeah. So just make sure it's even and in the center. And here are the bigger ones that I made. So you'll see that those are longer. They're 3 inches, and I did leave them natural. You'll see up in the left-hand corner, I did say fail because those weren't good. But these ones I did actually like. I thought they were kind of cute, very boho, so I thought they were cute. I'm not a boho stylist, like I don't have anything else basically that's boho, but I did think these were cute. So after we glue those pieces together, the 3-inch pieces, then I did leave the corners rounded, and then I'm just going to glue them onto another craft stick, a darker craft stick, so that it looks more like a stem or stump. And that's it. That was it. The bigger ones I did like better. Those are my small fail ones there that are stained. Didn't like that. There's another one. Didn't like that. But I do like those. So, you know, it's very simple, very what I think is modern. And I wasn't going to paint them black. Surprise, surprise. But I did leave them natural, and I do think they're kind of cute. So thanks so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts. I sure do appreciate it. Go ahead and do all the regular YouTube stuff. Leave a comment below, like the video, and go ahead and subscribe. Make sure to hit the bell when you subscribe so that you know when the next video comes out. And I do try to do videos every Tuesday, so be watching out for those. And appreciate today. Tomorrow's never promised. Y'all have a great one.